Good morning everyone, or good evening and good night from Art in Sweden. We are experiencing magical winter days up here in the north, but I'm not going to be out there today. I am going to paint. And I've been watching this demo by Sarah Mack, her nebula flower. I don't know how many times now. I just love that painting. So the demo I'm about to do today is inspired by her nebula flower. If you haven't seen it yet, I recommend you go over there and give it some love, because it's really beautiful. It's the colors in it and the way that the colors are blending and the lines, and well, it's just amazing to me. So I wanted to try it, and Sarah is working with a bird feeder to achieve her great effects. I've been out there and looking and searching for it, but I haven't been able to find anything like that up here. So I just had to try to make my own, and you'll see how that went. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you have a great weekend to come, and take care everyone, and bye bye for now.